सो अब मैं इसको लगाने वाली हूँ मेरे होठों पे। Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapta and today I'm gonna go back to when? I think 15 years back. Back then we didn't have much makeup. At least I didn't know about much makeup products. I even didn't know about the existence of mascara. I used maximum 5 to 6 products and these are one of those things. And to be very frank, this is my first compact ever, this one Lakme, and this is my first foundation. Back then it was such a thing, and this is the first eyeliner I think I have tried. I'm not sure it was Elitine or Lakme, I can't remember. And this is the first Kajal, Lakme, and of course Elitine lipsticks. Now they're charging like 75 rupees for this one, but I remember it used to cost like 50 rupees back then, 15 years back. So I'm very excited to try out these things. When I look at these products, I become like this 12-year-old girl. I'm 27 now. Time runs so fast. Can you tell? Obviously you can tell. Look at me. So yeah, now I'm gonna start applying these things. And look, I'm going back to the past, so I'm not gonna bring any like modern techniques with me, like beauty blenders, brushes for applying foundation and everything. I'm gonna use all my old techniques that I used to know and that people told me, that my friends used to do, and some of the techniques will be very controversial and you might laugh at me. It's okay, I'm there to make you smile and laugh, so you can. So let's start with this compact. Back then we didn't have any primer, nothing. I remember I even didn't used to use moisturizer or sunscreen when I was 12. I used to just wash my face and I used to apply this thing. And okay, I used to do this funny thing. Someone told me, it was not my idea. Trust me, it was not my idea. Okay, the thing was, I was told to take this foundation, then I have to mix few drops of water with this, then I have to apply for natural look. I don't even remember it worked or not, but today I'm gonna try. Obviously no one does it now. People use serum, then primers, but back then it was just water and this foundation. At least this is what I did. The smell is the same. I'm gonna keep these things with me, and seriously after 10 years or 40 years I'm gonna look back at those things. I can guarantee you these things are gonna be vintage. So I don't like fragrance in my skincare or makeup products, but this is divine because this triggers the memories. I can sniff it all day long. So yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit of foundation, but I'm not sure I should take a little bit of foundation because back then I used to think more is good. Nice. Okay. So did I tell you the shade I chose? It is Radiance, but back then they didn't have any shade option. I think they only had one shade or two shades, I don't remember. Now I have seen there are 4 shades. I think I have taken a lot of product. I don't need this much. I have water with me. This is silly. Now you're gonna see it works or not, but I used to do that, and I'm telling you again and again, it was not my idea. I was told by someone or I read somewhere. Back then we didn't have internet. I mean, internet was there, but it was not that popular. We used to read magazines.
4 drops.
Okay, I'm pretending here that I know what I'm doing, but in real I have no idea what I'm doing. But obviously the foundation became thinner after adding water, which might help in blending. Okay, how I used to apply this foundation, I used to do this. Draw this dots everywhere. Then I used to blend it, and I never used to wear foundation on my neck. I'm not gonna do that either. मुझे पता है ऐसे फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाता है, but I used to do that. मुझे अब पता चला क्यों मेरा फाउंडेशन नहीं ब्लेंड होता था, क्यों मुझे I used to look like a churel. Can be the reason because I didn't know any techniques, to be very frank.
and still I don't.
I never used concealer. I used concealer for the first time when I was in college, but we used to use foundation as concealer.
Life was simple, we used to believe in multitasking. कंसीलर का नाम मैंने बहुत बाद में सुना था जब मैं कॉलेज में गई.
I'm not at all good at makeup, and you can tell that.
आँख के पास वो फाउंडेशन नहीं ब्लेंड हो रहा था और नहीं हुआ. मैं एडिटिंग के वक्त देखी ये. दिस इज़ माई यूजुअल मेकअप, सो आई वॉज अनबॉदर्ड.
Alright, I'm gonna let it settle, this foundation. Okay. So up next I'm gonna use their compact, and I love this because I remember once I finished this product and I had the mirror left. I mean, they have this mirror, so I used this for like ever, I think for 5 years, just the mirror, just to look at my skin. But then I lost it. I was so sad, but now I have it. I'm gonna use this as a mirror. It has this, see the mirror, it came with this puff, and I never used brush back then. I used to use this thing, but they had better quality puff back then.
मैं यहाँ 2.5 घंटे से कंप्लेन कर रही हूँ कैसे ये पाफ का क्वालिटी ख़राब हो गया.
So my point is, the quality is not that good that it used to be, but the foundation is the same, the formulation is the same, the color is the same. Color? No, not, I don't remember the color, but the fragrance is the same. But this thing has changed. Now let's see if this thing, the performance of this compact has changed or not, because Lakme can be sneaky. If you can hear something, that is Tata snoring. I'm not even sorry for that because such a sweet sound of him snoring. I used to have crazy oily skin, so I used to apply a lot of this product. But now I had this dry skin, so not a big fan of compact anymore because I don't think I need these things. The smell is the same. God, my guilty pleasure, you know. I keep on bashing products for the fragrance thing. Now look at me enjoying the fragrance and getting nostalgic about it. So this is the thing, this is the manipulation or manipulative power of fragrance. This is what it can do. It triggers the memories, it gets you to be familiar with the product, so you keep on buying. I want to be funny, but no joke is coming at this moment. I just don't feel funny. What is that? I thought this video is going to be funny. I'm going to make so many jokes, this and that, but
Actually I had periods that time when I was shooting, so मैं cranky थी.
So I'm done with powdering my face, and I would say this is quite good, does the job. And if they didn't add the fragrance thing, I would have bought this product, I think. I mean, I could have used this. And this is my rational soul is talking. My emotional self is like, I love the smell of this. So I'm done with this.
मैं ऐसे कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मुंह में पाउडर घुस गया.
I think I ate some of the compact. Tastes bad. Okay, moving on. Now the part I am very afraid of, putting on eyeliner. I cannot put eyeliners, like even to save my life. I don't know what's up with this. I've tried. Wing की तो दूर की बात है. I just cannot like line my eyes, and these things are very difficult. I can do this with those pen kind of a thing they have now, but these things, is it gonna dry fast? And I can't, you know. I used to apply these things, and I think my aunt used to do this, and she used to tell me, hold on, wait for a few minutes. I'm like, after 5 seconds I was like, what? And the eyeliner used to get hair everywhere. So patience, where are you? Okay, the people who can do eyeliners very perfectly, look at me and feel superior.
Usually it takes me 1 hour to do this, but today I'm going to try to do this fast.
This is the best thing I can do. And it dries pretty fast. Previously, I used to use this liner. It used to take like 5 minutes to get dried, and I couldn't, like I told you, like wait for a second. So I always used to have eyeliners here mostly. Now you call it smoky eyes, but back then it was what it was.
मैं जितना कंसंट्रेशन के साथ आईलाइनर्स लगाती हूँ इतना कंसंट्रेशन में कभी भी पढ़ाई के वक्त नहीं दिया, इसलिए मेरे रिजल्ट्स ठीक नहीं आई.
So this is the eyeliner. This is good for the price, I think. Very cute bottle. I don't know about the ingredients. It's not written anywhere. Except that this is okay. I didn't use eyeshadow back then, so no eyeshadow for me. Thank God. Now I have this Kajal.
Kajal is actually something so classic that you can never go wrong with this, I think. I can wear Kajal. This is something I'm very confident with that I can do when it comes to makeup.
Actually, my skin is feeling very dry right now. It was okay a few moments back, but now it's super dry. Super duper dry. I don't like this amount of dryness. Okay, now I'm gonna apply lipstick and I'm gonna try to talk in Hindi because somewhat my Hindi amuses you all. So मैं अब लिपस्टिक लगाने वाली हूँ. ये लिपस्टिक है एलिटिन का. शेड का नंबर है, क्या है नंबर, डीप पिंक. मैंने इसका 75 रुपीज़ पे किया. ये 100 रुपीज़ का है, मुझे डिस्काउंट मिला 25 रुपीज़ का. बट मैं खरीदती थी इसको sorry, I used to buy this for 50 bucks, I remember. And I remember I had one golden color lipstick from this brand. I used to love that. I can't imagine wearing this right now. So अब मैं इसको लगाने वाली हूँ मेरे होठों पे. The color is actually very sweet. I like this. बहुत ही मीठा कलर है. मीठा कलर है. रंग है. मेरा बंगाली बहुत अच्छा है. मेरा हिंदी ही ऐसा है. My Bengali is very good. बंगाली में मीठा को मिष्टी कहते हैं. लाइक मिष्टी, खूब मिष्टी रंगटा. It means बहुत ही मीठा कलर है. और मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ इसको कहते हैं আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. So I'm giving you free Bengali lesson. And I think this was my go-to look when I was 12 or 13 because I just had these products with me. Now we have so many things, not only makeup, even skincare is everything. We have so many options, but back then things were so simple and I kind of like this. I'm trying to use it as a blush. I used to use a lipstick as blush, so but the thing is, no, it's what do you call it, it's not creamy, so it's gonna be difficult to apply. So it doesn't apply well as a blush, but I have to use it anyway on my this cheek, otherwise it will look weird, very weird, as if someone has slapped me.
I wish now I skipped this part because it doesn't look right.
Oh, it's too much, this color. And this amount of rubbing is giving me anxiety because I don't like to rub my skin this much. So yeah, there you have it. What do you think about this look? I like it. Oh my god, what is it? Look at my hair. Just look at it. I got scared. It's like, what is it? I look like a murgi.
So this is the end result. It doesn't look that nice. The blush looks like someone slapped me.
Hi, it's been some times, but my face is feeling so itchy, I don't know, I think I'm gonna get some reaction. And it looks like I got some allergy, but I tried to make that lipstick work as a blush. Obviously it didn't work, but my skin is itching like anything. So I hope I don't get any reaction. I have to shoot another video after this, so yeah. This is me after removing the makeup. My skin is well right now and I didn't have any irritation yet, but I have these things going on here because I'm on my period, and these days I'm saying every month when I get my period I get skin irritation, which is not good. I don't like it, so I got these things, and I feel tired, very tired all the time. So yeah, but I enjoyed using this makeup and I hope you enjoyed it too. And let me know if you like went back to your memory lane and could connect to these products, and did you use these things when you were my husband. Okay, sorry for that. Could you try these things and tell me your experience?
मुझे डर था कि मेरा स्किन में रिएक्शन आ जाएगा, बट अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. आई थिंक आई वाज फेकिंग आउट unnecessary because it is just one time. And yeah, I'm trying out this another makeup as well from Maybelline. I'm gonna review this soon. And few days back I got this thing from the market. You don't wear this like this, but I'm wearing this like this because it looks cuter, I think. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you very soon. Bye bye.